Hi everyone, thank you for being interested in our work. My name is Chen Zitong. I'm from Zhejiang University. Today I will be presenting you our work in progress paper, Paint with Your Mind, Designing EEG-based Interactive Installation for Traditional Chinese Artwork. This work is cooperated with Liao, Jing, Chen Jianqiao, Zhou, Chuyi, Fangbing, Yang, and Preben Hansen. The presentation will be divided into the following sessions. Museum exhibitions on traditional Chinese paintings are gaining popularity for educational and cultural value. However, it is not easy for non-professional or non-Chinese visitors to understand. Inspired by mind control idea in many science fictions, we designed an interactive installation to enhance museum visitors' interest and comprehension using EEG headsets. Visitors can experience the generation of lights, colors, and movements of characters with the installation. Next, I will explain the design details of our installation. Our installation is built based on a traditional artwork called Ladies Preparing Newly Woven Silk by Chen in Tang Dynasty. Our installation uses the NeuroSky mind-wave headset to collect real-time EEG signals. The headset provides the mental measurement of attention. We adopt attention as control signals to encourage visitors to concentrate and to appreciate the painting. Software systems of our installation consist of a graphical interface module for displaying figures and animations, and a connection module for updating attention values. We designed the interaction of our installation as three phases: sketching, coloring, and movement control. The first phase is sketching. We expect that visitors can feel like they are drawing edges by concentrating their mind in this phase. To implement this, we first convert the painting into SVG format in Adobe Illustrator. Then we use the attention value output by the EEG headset to control display rate of the edges. Higher attention value is associated with greater display rate and will accelerate the sketching process. After sketching, we simulate the coloring process by filling colors inside the closed edges. In this way, visitors can feel that they are able to mentally color a painting. Likewise to sketching, attention value controls the coloring rate. For unknown reasons, the Chinese painter did not paint according to actual working procedures, which should be sewing, silk heating, fine fanning, and ironing. To increase visitors' understanding, we make animations of the painting and design the movement control interactive phase. In this phase, visitors can realize the story setting of the painting by mind controlling the movement of characters. We divided 4 attention thresholds to activate motion of different parts. Once current attention value exceeds a threshold, the corresponding part is activated to move. We divided the threshold values in accordance with the silk making workflow. For example, the attention threshold for sewing part is set to be smaller than the value for silk heating, which indicates a piece of silk should be heated after sewing. Here, I will show you a video demonstrating the workflow of our work-in-progress system. However, our work has some limitations. Firstly, the installation is limited to unit model interaction. Secondly, we observed that the response of installation could be delayed. In conclusion, our work aims at providing an innovative interaction for traditional Chinese artwork and devotes to enhancing visitors' interest and comprehension in the experience of painting with your mind. In future work, we will concentrate on enhancing the reliability of EEG devices and incorporate with other interactive mechanisms, such as eye-checking techniques. Moreover, a systematic user study needs to be conducted in order to perform evaluation and improvement. Thank you for your listening.